Hi everyone, Tech Tips and Tricks. I have the HP Spectre x360 Core i7 11 Gen 16 GB RAM, DDR4 and 512 GB SSD. So let's get started. So this is the HP Spectre x360 15.6 inch 11 Gen Intel Core i7. Opening the box. This is the HP Spectre logo, and this is the laptop. Let's put the laptop on the side and let's go into the laptop box. So so let's put the laptop aside. Let's check what all things are there in the box. Taking this cover also, here is the HP Active Pen. This is the charger and this is the laptop. Let's open the cover of the laptop. And this is the laptop. Let's open the laptop. This is the HP logo on the lid. Opening the laptop, we can see the keyboard cover, and this is the keyboard. The keyboard is very smooth when we type and comfortable. On the keyboard, we have the mic and the backlight keyboard and the mic privacy. If you press it, um, your mic will not work. And we have the Intel Core i7 sticker there, which has 11 Gen and NVIDIA GeForce GTX. The mouse trackpad is very cool and sensitive, very soft, and the correct space and Spectre logo there. This is the mic button, which when you press, the privacy will be logged. And we have the backlight keyboard also available in this laptop, and the hinges is also very sturdy. Closing the, and we have the ports, power button, power charge port, full size HDMI port, ventilation, and the headphone 3.5 mm. The right we have the full size micro SD card, ventilation, USB Type A port and a webcam kill switch, and two USB Type C port Thunderbolt 3.0.